Okay. And here I am climbing big, buildings, and I probably could die any day. But so anyway, he says, well, look, there's a type of insurance in the industry that no one ever talks about. And it's really at the bottom of the salesman's briefcase, and it's called term insurance. And he said that it's kind of like when you say no 10 times, on the 11th time they get that one out, right? And they sell you this term policy. Well, he was able to sell me 200 and at that time it was $270,000 of term, which was a lot of insurance in 1986. Okay. And he did a little analysis. That's what I would have needed. He said he was able to do that for $50 a month, for half of what I was spending. And he did it for a 20-year level term. So the cost was the same, insurance was the same for 20 years. And he says, let's take the other $50 and let's put it into an IRA, into one of these mutual funds that I told you about.